Right. Welcome to another analysis of BTC. So right here we're going to be looking at weekly analysis, right? Yeah. Because the week is coming to an end soon. Yeah. So let's quickly look at the weekly analysis. So now, one thing I've been looking at for the past two, three, well, past 2 months now. Yeah, I've been looking at this. This has been my analysis, right? Fair value gap, price run, ran into it, took out a invalidate, reverse fair value gap. It pushed price down. It's supposed to sell, but it pushed price down, but it could not push it lower. Now it pushed price down. It did take out liquidity. Remember, liquidity doesn't always have to be the lows. The body matters. All right. Let me zoom this in so you guys can see it properly. The body is what matters too. So we see price touching the fair value gap and then taking out the bodies of this. You can see how the bodies are almost. Let me see the figure. The close of this black candle is 60 right here. Look at the figures right here. So I'm going to place the candle. So the close is 65,769. While the opening of this is 65,771. Very close. So relative, so more relative equal. So the body, you can see price taking out the body, serving as rejection block, and then now price has shoot up, and yeah, what I considered to be a reverse fair value gap now is being invalidated, right? Because I remember, okay, it was I didn't post the video yet. But I was saying something in one video I made that I wasn't expecting if it's a good reverse favorable gap, you shouldn't see price dipping this deep into. So the moment I saw this, I knew that it's done for. But now we are seeing probably by when this weekly candle closes in the next 4 hours, this reverse favorable gap is going to be totally invalidated, and I'm going to be looking for buys. Yeah. So bullish probably, but not just going to go to the chart and start looking for buy. You still have to do some a little bit analysis, but the bias is going to be bullish, right? Yeah. Now, I'm sure you guys remember the trade setup I gave. Yeah. So this is how far it's doing. So right here, I'm taking partial because I use a huge lot size to trade. Yeah, rather than using small lot size because I don't get the way I trade because the way I trade I don't um get too many trades in a week or like that. Maybe I might get like one or two in like 2 weeks or three trades or four. Just few trades. So when I see the trades, I calm down and I usually use a huge lot size. Yeah. Uh, is a lot size. You can call it huge leverage because I trade mostly on crypto platforms. So that being set aside, taking a huge partials. Remember, the aim is not to be a perfect trader whereby you enter and then you only get out and take profit. Once the market has gone your way and you are not feeling too comfortable, you can always take partials. There's no rules that say you can take partials. So partials has been taken out. Now, why one of the reasons why I took partials out, right, is that first of all, I'm sure you guys can see if you check my previous analysis, this Um, fair value gap is highlighted here, was highlighted in the last video because I was looking at it, but I didn't want to draw too much attention or focus on it. But you can see the price totally. Now this fair value gap, why I highlighted it was because it was reverse fair value gap. You can see price coming into it, going lower, and then invalidating it. There. You can see this candle still touching it before going up. But though the reason why I chose this place was because of this fair value gap. So you can watch previous analysis. I stated it recently. So 4 hours candle just closed and another one. So why now? What I was looking at, what even made me took partials was I was thinking of the possibility of probably the stick coming in lower into this fair value gap. And here was what I was looking at. Let me close this. Let me use that. Let's see. I was looking at this 15 minutes, right? So I was looking at this, right? So a trend line liquidity trap. Buy, buy, buy. And then some people might want to take this as a order block. But just going to be a trap, take them out. So I was looking at entering into a buy here. Now, why here? Why this place? Because this zone where I'm taking a buy, it's also in the same confluence with my reverse fair value gap, which is this fair value gap. Let me make the visibility. I think I've below. So 15 minutes, you can see it's is within that reverse fair value gap, the other block. So that's why I had another entry below. So probably with so that was what made me too partial because I was expecting that okay, it's still possible. Not that it can happen, still also very possible that price still comes lower. And why I'm saying that is because I'm expecting that once the weekly candle closes, that's this, yeah, like this is my bias. Once this weekly candle closes, let's say it closes above here, expecting I'm expecting a retracement, like a hard retracement down from this weekly candle. So I'm expecting that that weekly candle retracement is going to be taking out this trend line trap and then coming back to touch this reverse fair value gap and then looking at probably taking an entry at this 15 minutes order block right here. Now the other block is going to be from the top here to the bottom here, right? Not just, I don't usually take this, I take just the full downward movement and use sometimes the fair value gap. So that's my bias. Then also it's also possible, right? It's also possible. This video is getting way too long than I want it to be. So it's also possible that all this is clear, but I doubt that, but it's also possible. But it's only when I see price invalidate this zone that okay, I know it's coming from this zone. But if it doesn't, I'm expecting price to come in, touch this, and continue its upward movement. So that's that for BTC. Let's look at Solana now. For Solana, I think I will do a different video for Solana. Let this one just be for BTC. video is too long.